This is Pangea. It is what Earth used to look like. It is called a supercontinent. Pangea was formed approximately 300 million years ago and deformed 100 million years ago into what we have on Earth today. Pangea split into the continents we have today. This is the theory of continental drift. It was thought up by Alfred Wegener. He had the right ideas and the evidence to his theory, but he could not prove how the continents moved. Next, we bring you to the inside of the Earth. Humans have never got that far before. We can know what's inside of the Earth because of seismic waves. These waves occur when earthquakes happen. We now know that the crust is the outermost layer, the mantle is the second layer, the outer core comes next, then comes the inner core. The heat increases each time you reach a new layer. The inner core is made out of iron. Then the outer core is made out of molten iron-nickel alloy. The mantle is silicate rock, rich in magnesium and iron. The crust is what we humans live on. There are two types of crust, oceanic and continental. As you can probably guess, the oceanic crust is under the ocean. The continental crust is under land. How did the land masses move, you might ask? Convection currents are what makes the plates move. Convection is the way that gases move. When they are hot, they rise because heated things have lower density. Likewise for cold things. They fall because they have more density. This moves the plates because hot magma rises and circulates around. It moves the plates when it comes up and hits them. Plates are what the crust is on top of. There are 7 major plates. There is the North American plate, the Eurasian plate, the Australian plate, the Antarctic plate, the African plate, and the South American plate. The reason earthquakes happen is because the plates shift. They move and the crust has to fill in the gap, so it crumbles in on itself. There are 3 major types of boundaries between plates. A convergent boundary is when 2 plates push into each other. It causes the creation of a volcano, which is a geyser which contains magma from the mantle. A divergent boundary is when 2 plates are moving away from each other, or the reason of earthquakes. A transform boundary is when 2 plates go past each other horizontally. Plate tectonics are the theory that the Earth's lithosphere is divided into plates. The lithosphere is a crust. The asthenosphere is a part of the upper mantle. Tension is when the plate is being stretched. Compression is the stress when 2 plates collide.